Okay, so here you can see that I am logged into Kidazzler right now. And when you want to add a new business, you can select either a physical business or a mobile business. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you're not quite done yet. Go ahead and click on that bell so that way you can get notified about every new video that I've got coming on. Make sure you also comment and like and let me know what else you'd like to see. I'm here to help you. And this is going to depend on obviously the type of business. Do they have a physical location that you can go to? Or is it like a mobile thing where it's like a food truck or one of those new video game trucks, or like somebody that maybe you want to have a party at your house and you're looking for a clown or a person that makes balloon animals or a face painter or something like that. Or maybe you want a personal tutor or instructor or a coach. Or maybe a photographer, videographer, music entertainers, bubble show, all that sort of thing. Or physical locations, they list classes, kids activities, restaurants, doctors, dentists, daycare, schools, party venues, museums, kids shopping stores, pet services, etc. Pet services? Pet stores? Where are those for kids? Well, I guess if you're going to buy your kid a new pet. Okay, cool. I didn't notice that they are allowing pet services too. Or I guess maybe it's not only just for kids, maybe it's for your fur babies too. Or, a lot of the times kids want pets too. Okay, so I wanted to show you really quick how I was able to quickly add my 50 businesses that I locked in. So essentially what I did was I went to beautiful Google Maps, lovely Google Maps. And since I grew up in Plano as a kid, I started looking around different places in Plano to see if they had any ones that maybe needed to be added. And I know that Plano has tons of indoor bounce house places and trampoline parks and that sort of thing. So I thought those would be an excellent thing to add. So first of all, what I noticed when I'm adding things, you want to copy the phone number first. Okay, because you want to maximize the amount of time that you're going to be doing this, right? So if you copy the phone number first, and I just paste it right in there, it automatically tells you if this has already been locked or not. So I don't even bother adding the business name or typing in any other information. Just copy and paste the phone number first. That's what Kidazzler is going to let you know whether that business is locked or not. So yes, this business is in fact locked. It says, oops, it looks like this business has already been locked in Kidazzler. Try locking another one. So I just say, okay, cool. Delete that. Let's try something else. Vision Martial Arts Center. That looks awesome to me. Kids love martial arts. So let's copy their phone number and we're going to paste it in here and see if they have been listed. And it has not added anything for me yet, so that tells me that it has not been listed. It doesn't have any pop-ups, so I can go ahead and add the rest of their business information. So you're going to want to add the business name, the address. This is required. You need to add a business description. I'm just going to add martial arts class. And then the additional details. It does say that these are optional, but these are going to help you earn faster. What I noticed is that if you can find an email address for the company, this is an excellent way to get businesses confirming their existence immediately. I actually had 3 businesses confirm with me the same day that I added them to Kidazzler. How awesome is that? So they've already confirmed, they've already engaged, they've already said, yes, we want to be a part of the Kidazzler directory. 3 businesses. So let's say that, hypothetically, if all 3 of those businesses that have already confirmed and they add, and they do advertising with Kidazzler, that's $30 a month right there. That's pretty awesome for just a few hours of my time. I mean, potentially it only took me a couple of minutes to, add each one of those. So I think that's a great return on my time and investment, especially since it's monthly income, not one-time thing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and add all the information for this one really quick. So I will just go over here and it's just as simple as just copy and pasting the information that's right here. So business name, paste it in here. Now, one thing that you do want to make sure is that it looks like it's going to be a legitimate business. I know, you know, some people add random junk onto Google Maps occasionally, and it doesn't look very legit. So just kind of make sure it looks like it's a business, or maybe you personally know that it's a business. So I'm going to go ahead and check out their website. Maybe. So then this is where I'm going to go to. I just kind of confirmed that the phone number is the same as what was on Google Maps. 8662. Yes, it is the same. So then I'm going to go through here and I'm going to find the contact us page. I need to get the website, because this is one of the ways that it can speed up the possibility that they'll do advertising on Kidazzler. But then I will also go to the contact us page, so that way I can see if I can find an email address for them. So let's go ahead and just fill in all of this information. So here's their website, and I will also copy their address. And then I'm just going to put martial arts, and as soon as I start typing in anything, it's going to give me some options, and I'll put martial arts class. If the option that you want to add is not on there, you can just go ahead and type whatever it needs to be, and it will just leave it in there. So that's fine. So, and I'm going to go back and look for an email address for them. So like I said, if you usually go to the contact us area, you can usually find an email address. If you can't find an email address, don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. But if you can, that's wonderful. So then the last thing I'm going to do is going to double check. So this is a physical location. I've got the name, their phone number, their business address, all filled in here, the business description, their email address, and their website. So this is what I would recommend, is that you have everything filled out as much as possible. There are a lot more businesses that are not going to have an email address listed on their website, and that's fine. Just at least getting the website in there is going to be better. But pro tip, having this email address, as soon as you click add a business, they're going to get an email from Kidazzler saying, hey, we've just had somebody recommend you for the Kidazzler database and explaining what Kidazzler is and why they're awesome and why they're up and coming and why they need to be part of the Kidazzler directory. So then they're just going to confirm that the information's right, and bada bing, bada boom, bam. You have a business that is logged in and is confirmed by that business. So that's a great way to get them in there quickly. So just keep that in mind. I would definitely, absolutely recommend getting that email address. But if the email address is not correct, that's not going to benefit you. So don't go in here and put fake information. That doesn't do you any good, because you're not going to get paid unless these are actual legitimate companies that when Kidazzler reaches out to them to see if they want to do advertising with them, then they will jump on one of their advertising packages. And that's the other thing, is Kidazzler has vowed to create advertising bundles and packages that, you know, basically fit the needs of the individual business. Okay, so it's not like they're trying to, you know, be so expensive that it's gonna just rule out a bunch of people. At least that's what they say. So hopefully they'll do that. So I'm just gonna click on add business, and bam, you locked in the new business for Kidazzler. And then you just click on add another business, and you can keep going on like that. Once again, physical or mobile. And you're rocking and rolling. I was going through and thinking about different businesses, and that would be awesome potential businesses that I really think would be more likely to purchase ad space with Kidazzler. So if you would like access to that list that I have made, please subscribe and leave me a comment below this video and let me know that you would like access. I will be sending this to my subscribers if they ask me for access. Okay? Let me know if you have any other questions and what you think about Kidazzler and if you're excited about it, and I'll talk to you again soon.